difference between Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. Is there a way to get around both of them, Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics? There are numerous, but the difficulty is that they are not free. And training the entire crew on tools they are unfamiliar with could take a long time. So, if we compare the two, Google Tag Manager does not replace Google Analytics. Rather, it assists users in adding Google Analytics monitoring codes to their websites. Developers can hard-code Google Analytics codes right into the website. But only developers can aid you if you need to publish changes frequently. Google Tag Manager, on the other hand, allows you to add, change, and remove your Google Analytics tracking tags on your own. Google Analytics only supports a few Google products. But Google Tag Manager supports a lot more platforms, including Hotjar, Microsoft Advertisements conversion tracking, and others. Google Tag Manager events are utilized to designate where a certain must be fired. In this sense, Google Analytics is a tag. Triggers are a means for the Tag Manager to fire the tags you put up. They tell it when, where, and how to accomplish what you want. Page views, link clicks, and form submissions are all metrics that can be tracked. Some examples are scroll depth and custom events. Tags are code snippets or tracking pixels obtained via third-party tools. They give instructions to Google Tag Manager. Universal tracking code for Google Analytics. Remarketing code for AdWords, conversion tracking code for AdWords. And heat map tracking code for AdWords. Some examples include custom HTML scripts, Cookiebot, and other GDPR data privacy scripts. Google Tag Manager does not allow you to establish Google Analytics goals and conversions. Google Tag Manager sends Google Analytics events. Goals and conversions are then set up in Google Analytics, where you tell Google Analytics to turn some of your routine interactions into more valuable goals. If you utilize other tags like the Facebook Pixel or Adobe Analytics tag, you can install Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager. But, as a reminiscent, only use one of these implementations, not both. Finally, Google Tag Manager serves as a link between your website's implementation and Google Analytics, where the data is transferred. I would advocate using both programs because they are both free and can benefit your business in different ways. However, I believe Google Tag Manager is a more powerful and flexible alternative, because it is not limited to Google goods. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.